Hello, everybody. Today's Hot Wheels 2020 US P case unboxing. US, how do I know? This code right here, L2593. If you look on the back of any US card, you'll see that. See that above the barcode, L2593. This is a Zamac, but that's the US Cade Coast. Case code. How about that? What did I say? Cade Coast? Whew. I might be a little tired. Nonetheless, let's open up the P case. We already did the international P case. Remember, A&J Toys sent that to me. We opened it a few days ago. Now we are going to see what the US case looks like. We're going to open up. There might be some differences. I did notice, like when I did the international, I think the only thing I could think of is maybe the Toyota 2000 GT was not in there. The recolor, I think, in white, the Olympic one. Maybe there's other differences. We're going to find that out. This case was sent by Mattel, so they'll send me one. A&J Toys will usually sends me the international case. Mattel is sending me the US case to preview for you, at least right now while we're in this COVID situation. So let's open this case up. Let's see if we find that 2000 GT. And then figure the rest out. All right. We'll see what's the same and what's different. I believe that we're already off to a very similar start because if I remember correctly the last time, I pulled out the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster, and the GMC Cyclone all at the same time. Right to start. So we're off to a similar start. I believe Aisle Driver and the 96 Chevrolet Impala. The other difference is that I didn't get a regular treasure hunt, but this time I did. So Mazda RX-3 was actually in the second half of the case, so we're starting to see differences. Not that that's a big deal, right? A case is a case. Whatever comes out of it ends up on the pegs or in the bin. It doesn't really matter what side it came from, but we've got them all. Here's the Chevy Silverado. This is the regular treasure hunt. So I can put this in the highlight video for the P case. Other than that, there's the symbol right there. I think this one has two symbols. That might be a first for a regular treasure hunt, outside of like one on one side and then on the other. I don't know. We'll have to, when we open it up, we'll have to see if it shows up on any other side. But kind of a cool one. I think everyone likes the licensed regular treasure hunts, and so that will be a hit. There is the Mazda RX-3 in Gretty Deco. Really nice to see that in the basic range for the first time. Mclaren P1 from the holdover from last case. Croc rod is the same. Skyboat the same. I don't think I mentioned that Pagani. If it was Inspector Flame Green, it would have been a super treasure hunt. But it's not. Roller Toaster in, what is that, purple. And then there's that recolor of the 98 Honda Prelude, beautiful, beautiful car. And then another new model, the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning in that gold color, which is nice and pretty. Okay, there's the other Pagani. I don't think there's any other. So no supers in this one, like the international case. That's okay. Like I said, Spectre Flame Green. I don't know if there's any other difference. I mean, the TH might be on the back. If I ever get it, I will show it. But I don't have it, so I'm not gonna. There's the Lamborghini Centenaria Roadster and the Honda S2000, both holdovers from the last case. Radical Racer, there's that ridiculously cool muscle bound. Love that deco. And then the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Grand Cross, Croc Rod, recolor of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I like that tan better than the red. You guys tell me if you agree with me. Plymouth Fury, that's a recolor. Chevrolet Impala, that is a holdover. Custom 11 Camaro, I can't remember. Porsche 914 Safari, brand new model. My favorite of this case from the new models. Totally dig that one. Luftgekühlt. I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm trying to say it right because I've heard it said. Still probably pronouncing it Luftgekühlt. Recolor of the Toyota Tundra. It's the 2000 GT that I'm still looking for in the Datsun Bluebird wagon in black. Maybe that 2000 GT is in the Q case, and I just can't remember. Chevy Silverado, McLaren once again, and the Quick Bite. Might give you a hankering for ice cream. Jaguar XE-SV Project 8. Love that color. Many of you noticed this looked like the Joker took over the Batmobile. That's probably the case because it's purple and yellow. I should have probably noticed that. Kind of cool, right? There's the art on it. So the Joker mobile. Is that the second error I've had today? Blah. I've had Dodge Charger 500 recolor. When you're tired, you're tired. I didn't think I was tired. My mouth says otherwise. Ah, there she is. I see her. That 2000 GT. All right, another RX-3, which is nice because there's only one in the international case. There's the Radical Racer and the Hologram. You might be wondering why I'm such a big deal about the 2000 GT. I love the casting, so now I'm happy to pull it out of this case. Custom Auto recolor, Skull Shaker, and the Runway Rescue. '70 Chevelle, the Fast and Furious version. There it is, recolor of the Toyota 2000 GT in white. Really stunning. I really like that one. Karate is the theme on that. Olympics karate. Love it. And Aston Martin 177. Not the Chase. Nissan Silvia, recolor in blue. Another Chevelle, and the Ram 1500 Rebel holdover from the last case. El Viento, Cruise Bruiser, and a Camaro. A 67 Camaro. Velocita from the Olympics. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Dig that one. And the McLaren Senna. Another Datsun 510 wagon. No one's complaining when there's more of those. Recolor of the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible and recolor of the 68 Shelby GT 500. All right, another Porsche. I only think there's only one in the international case. So we're seeing kind of a healthier assortment in the US case, right? So two of the Porsche 914s. Love. Another Jag and Quick Bite. Of course, if you're in the international markets and you're only getting one of the Porsche 914, it's obviously going to hold over into the Q case, of which I have right to the side of me, and we'll open it soon, right? And we'll see what's inside. That'll be coming up. Q case, US Q case, because that came from Mattel, and then we'll do the international when A&J sends it. All right, another ZR1, another SVT Lightning, and another Silverado. Recolor of the Cyclone, recolor of the cool Erikenstein rod, and the high beam. And let's see what we're finishing off with. Another custom Camaro, another Senna. Oh, I love that white. Recolor of the Alpine A110 Cup. That seems like a... Oops. That seems like a holdover from cases, 2 or 3 cases ago. And then custom Ford Maverick, another Camaro, and another roller toaster. So I'd have to think through what was in the international case before I try and remember. I've got some of the international models. We got the Prelude, we got the RX-3, the Silvia, the Porsche, the SVT Lightning. Yeah, I think we got everything. Just kind of a different assortment. You guys tell me what you think. Happy to get that Toyota 2000 GT. Happy to get that regular treasure hunt. That is the P case. Highlights coming, Q case coming, lots more. Thanks, everybody. Bye.